You are far more useful and instrumental in your community than in jail. So, that explains why you're allowed to wear Kenneth Cole on the cell block. Oh, I'm sorry. You haven't even been on the cell block.
So what you want me to do now?
No. Wrong tone. It's not what I want you. That sounds like I want to turn you into a snitch. Never. It's not what I want you to do, you know. It's what you are going to do for the good of you and the community. I want you to keep the order, but under my orders.
What you want me to do? Turn a puppet or a robot?
I don't have a budget to buy string to control puppets or money for buy battery. No, look. I don't have the time, the patience, or the energy to be walking around the ghetto tugging strings and pushing remotes. You're going to do what you know is right. You're going to do it because you want to do it. But you're going to do it under my orders, whilst you keep order.
Big man, that still sound like controlling to me.
You mean like ranking? When he used to tell you how high to jump on the way up. Think of me as a new and improved version with a little less weight. Listen, Mr. Tucker, maybe you don't fully understand this. When I said checkmate, this is not a negotiation. This is me telling you what could happen, and if you're not mind sharp, will happen. You can be charged as we speak. Shooting with intent, wounding, illegal possession of a deadly weapon, illegal possession of a firearm. Oh yes, I know about those. Matter of fact, let me tell you how deep I am in the woods. I have a habit these days of wrapping them in plastic so them don't rust. I have taken the liberty every time I rise them to go take a little walk, to take a sample of the plastic and wrap them in. So I have traces of the gun oil and the gunpowder. Oh, I'm sorry, on the fingerprints and on the DNA. I can tell you, for instance, that Vicious loved the AK. I even know that although you carry a pistol, your preferred weapon is a knife. What I need you three to understand very clearly is that you're all doing more good in your community than bad. If it were the other way around, we wouldn't be having this conversation. But here is what I'm interested in. I'm interested in the success of the studio. I'm interested in the success of the farm. I want to see round robin and run through the bar non-stop. I'm interested in that. I want youngsters to look on you people as role models, not only providing employment. I want a youngster to look on you and say, I can own something too, without having to bandule it.
Mr. God.
No. Mullins.
Mr. Mullins.
Yes.
What do you mean? You give me a blind right now?
Of course not.